What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this 2025 Chevrolet Suburban remote key fob. This Chevy Suburban key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my Suburban key fob, and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to flip the key fob over so the buttons are facing down. Then let's take a look at the bottom of it. You see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. What I'm going to do is stick my key in that notch. It only goes in there about that far. Then I'm just going to pry up like this, and it's going to pop this back cover up. So I'm going to take my key, stick it in that notch, make sure it's pushed in as far as it will go. Then just pry up like that, and you can see it pops that back cover up. Once we get our cover off, we see our battery right here. And in one of these two slots, I'm going to stick my key in and pop that battery out of the holder. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first down here like this, then snap the battery down into place. And now we'll put this back cover on. And I'm going to kind of hook the top of this on first. You can see the shape of it. Hooks on like that. And then snap it down into place. Slide the emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.